If you used an early version of an AI model, you'd notice something strange. It didn't act like an assistant. It acted like a random text generator. Today, ChatGPT and Claude are polite and helpful. This didn't happen by accident. It's the result of a process called RLHF. Think of an AI's education like a child's. First, there's pre-training, where the AI reads the entire internet. It learns facts, but it also learns bad habits and biases. At this stage, it's a brilliant but chaotic student. RLHF is the parenting stage. Humans review the AI's answers and say, "This is helpful," or "This is a dangerous lie." We are aligning the machine with human values. Teaching a machine follows a simple cycle. First, sampling. The AI generates several different answers to the same question. Second, human ranking. Human voters rank those answers based on safety and helpfulness. And third, reinforcement. The AI uses those rankings to build a reward model, practicing millions of times until it consistently picks the path humans prefer. RLHF is the primary way we build safety guardrails. It's why AI refuses to explain how to build a weapon, or why it gives neutral, diplomatic answers to controversial questions. It has been voted into a state of caution. But be careful. A polite AI isn't always a correct one. RLHF makes the AI sound more human, but it can still hallucinate. There are red flags to watch for. If all the human voters come from one culture, the AI will inherit that specific bias. There's also the risk of reward hacking, where the AI learns to please the voter by sounding smart even when it's wrong. Finally, we must consider the ethics of the ghost workers, the thousands of contractors around the world who do this work. RLHF turns a machine into a partner. As we move toward autonomous agents, understanding alignment is a survival skill. Please like and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. We're here to help you understand the AI revolution. Thanks for watching.